You want to come down the track? So, a real running track. The loop's all the way down. Let's go. This was a really cool office that we did. You might notice that the carpet is different to other offices. The wall finishes in here are completely different as well. Even the lighting is completely different. So this is a display suite that we've developed. We actually have 4 of these across the property. And what we're trying to do is encourage our members to create their own creative cube. And so we've given them inspo, whether it's, hey, I want to sort of change the wall finishes, I want to put different lights in my office, different carpet. We can do all of that for you. But we've actually created 4 unique office spaces already to sort of get people's creative juices flowing. I'll show you a couple more. Here's another one of those offices. We changed the floors. We put feature lighting in. I've been so excited about this tile. My architect promised me in building 1 we would have it. Then when we didn't put it in a building 1, he said, building 2, I promise. I finally got him in a headlock. I said, building 3, no excuses. I love this tile. I think it's beautiful. So this will be timber and greens. There'll be cafe seating all out here, which is really cool. Not a bad backdrop. Birdcage. There'll be some furniture in here for informal meetings. So you'll be able to come in here, sit down. There'll be a curtain that wraps on the inside. Sit down, relax, have that private meeting. Yeah, so this is all coming down. So this is the lobby here. 3 massive elevators, which will basically take you through. You'll pop out, you'll see straight through the void. You'll come over this way, and there'll be a reception desk just there. You'll see straight through. We have Mo and Hennessy moving in, and so we're going to have a nice whiskey, and Sullivan's Cove actually. So we're going to have a nice whiskey room where you can basically get the keys to a meeting room. There'll be a cabinet full of whiskey for you to be able to entertain your guests as an informal meeting. So that's the update here from South Melbourne in January. To book a tour, simply go to creativecubes.co/locations. My team and I look forward to seeing you here, South Melbourne.